Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will take chapter 7 topic 1. Our topic is today manual occupations. So at first we have to know what is work. We have to learn what is the definition of work. What is work? Doing something or what? Work means an activity that a person uses physical or mental effort to do, usually for money. That means you have to do something or you have to work something for earning money. This is called work. So now we have to know what is occupations, because what is our topic? Our topic is manual occupations. So now we have to know what is occupation. Occupation means a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning money. That means you have to do some work for earning money. That is called occupations. Or you have to do some business for earning money. This is called the occupation. For example, I am a teacher. What is my occupation? I am a teacher. Teacher is my occupation. And for this occupation, I will earn money. So for the occupation means a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning money. Like doctor, teacher, engineer, businessman, driver, everything. Everything is earning for money. So now we are talking about, we'll talk about manual occupations. What is called manual occupations? We already discussed work. What is work? What is occupations? Now we will talk what is manual occupations. We already know there will be lots of different types of occupations. But now we know what is manual occupations. Manual occupations means manual work is physical work. Manual work is physical work done by human. For example, factory worker, cleaner, transport worker, or delivery man. This is the manual example, manual occupations example. Now we are talking about the factory worker. What is factory worker? Or who is factory worker? Who work in the factory? Factory worker means a person who works in factory worker means a person who works in a factory. They work over their long hour, like 8 hours. And what do they do? What do they do in the factory? They have a lots of duty in the factory. For example, garments worker, agriculture factory. We have a lots of factory, like garments factory. Everybody know. There will be lots of, in Dhaka there will be lots of garments factory. What will they do in the factory? What is their duty? Here is their duty. Now we are talking about their duty. What will they do in the garments? They work long hours to make clothes for us or for export, or they are over there cleaning, checking product qualities. They will do lots of work over there. This is called the factory workers. And the garments worker, what will they do? They make clothes for exporting. This is our most important industries. Besides, there will be lots of industries like cement factory, paper factory, fertilizer factory, cottage factory. There will be lots of factory. Now we are talking about what are the result of the works of the factory workers. The result. What are the result? The result to develop Bangladesh's economy. How? Because we export garment products, and for exporting we earn lots of foreign currency. So this is the good result of the works of the factory workers. Then to increase our remittance of Bangladesh. This is the result of the factory workers. Now the cleaner, another cleaner is the another manual occupations. Now who is the cleaner, or what is cleaner? Cleaner means a person whose job is to clean houses, office, public places. For example, school cleaner. Okay, look, in my school, who clean the school? Our sister. Yes, our sister is clean our school. For example, school cleaner, hospital cleaner, office cleaner. And what is their duty? The cleaner's duty. What is their duty? Their duty is to clean everything. Like in school, the school cleaner, their duty is to clean the school. Then hospital cleaner, their duty is to clean the hospital. And office cleaner, what is their duty? To clean the office. This is their duty. And the result. And also at the morning time, what do we see? We see a lots of people, or 2 or 3 people, to keep clean our street, the outside of the street. Yes. So what is the result? The result of the cleaners workers. The result to make our environment clean, to make our environment safe, to reduce pollution of environment. This is the result of the cleaner. Now we are talking about the another manual occupations, like transport worker. Do you know what is the transport worker? Transport worker is a person who is licensed to operate buses, trucks, taxis, or any kind of vehicles publicly, called him or her transport worker. For example, we on the road we see the bus driver, the truck driver, the car driver, then the van driver, etc., the rickshaw. This is the worker of the transport. Now what is their duty? Do you know what is their duty? Their duty is to transport for one place to another place of human. This is their duty. And what is the result of the transport workers? Why do we use transport? The result now. What is the result of the transport worker? The result of the transport worker is we use transport for transportation of human from one place to another place. We also use transport goods from one place to another places. This is the result of the transport worker. This is the all job, the factory worker, the cleaner, and the transport worker. All type of jobs is called the manual occupation. That is, what is manual occupation? That means manual work is physically work done by human. Which work is physically done by human is called the manual occupations. So the whole topic we discuss what? First, the work. What is the work? Doing something or an activity. or an activity or doing something work. This is called the work. And what is the occupations? Occupations mean doing something doing something or a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning money. This is called the occupations. And manual occupation, what is manual occupations? That means manual work is physical work done by human. Which work is physically done by human? This is called the manual occupations. We have lots of manual occupations. We just discussed factory worker, cleaner, transport worker. Besides, we have lots of manual occupations like farming. Farming is also doing physical work. Painting, delivery worker, home constructions. This is the examples of the manual occupations. So we already discussed their duties. What is their duties? The factory workers, what is their duties? What is the result of the factory workers? The cleaner, what is their duty? What is their result? And also we are discuss also the transport workers. What is their duties? What is their results? Okay, that's it.